Want to know how to clip fix your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you've done that here, you should be importing your audio. Just simply hit was file, select import and import an audio that you like. Now, once you've done that, make sure to go under view right here and then select show clipping waveform. So once that is selected, you should be seeing these red lines coming up. So these are all the excess clipping or the waveform that has unnecessary the highs and lows. So what you need to do is simply double check to select the entire track and then head towards effect right here and then select noise removal and repair. On a noise removal and repair, you should be seeing clip fix right here. Just simply select it and a new window should open up. Here your threshold of clipping should be 95%. You can change it accordingly, and also amplitude, which is your choice as well. So once you're done, just simply select apply, and after a while your results will be shown. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.